Alright everybody, Michael Alder here from CarpetExpertBlueprint.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove old carpet tack strips because we're doing a vinyl plank installation. We need to get these out of here so we can install our new floor. Now for the best results, I would use a pry bar and a hammer, but I also have a 5-in-1 and an old chisel. We could try these as well if you're the DIY type and you're limited on what you have around the house. But here we go, this is wood subfloor. Just line up the pry bar and just go down the line. See, that was pretty pain-free and stress-free. Let's see if we could get the same result with the chisel. I would line it up right with wherever the nail head is on the strip. Not as smooth, but still effective. Let's come over here. We'll try a 5-in-1 on this one now. Let's see if we can get results with that as well. So same thing, I'm just going to line it up with wherever the nail head is. Yeah, so for sure the pry bar is going to work best. So if you have one of these around the house, this is what you want to use. Just line it up with the nail head, pop it right out. Once you got all the strips out, go ahead and sweep everything down real nice and you'll be ready to set your vinyl planks. So, any questions about the flooring industry, be sure to comment below. I look forward to catching you on the next video.